How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So a lot of you guys have been asking about whether or not you can make your own pet food at home. Now, yes, you can make your own pet food at home, but it's essential to ensure that you're providing a balanced and complete diet for your pet. And honestly, creating homemade pet food can be quite a challenge, and you're going to have to do quite a bit of research, especially when it comes to meeting all of your pet's nutritional needs. Now, that's where some fantastic pet food delivery services come in, making it much easier and convenient. I mean, in my case, yes, I can make my own pet food, my own homemade pet food for my cat. But given that I have such a busy schedule, it just ends up being such a time-consuming process. Now, I do recommend checking out brands like the Farmer's Dog, We Feed Raw, Ollie, and Smalls. The first three are for dogs, and the last one is for cats. And the reason why I chose this one, by the way, for cats, it's because, well, first of all, it's super healthy. Second of all, this will cater to even the most pickiest of cats. And we all know how some cats can be extremely picky about their food. And if they're picky and they don't like their food, they will nag you, and it just can get a little bit annoying. Now, all these services do provide high quality, nutritious meals for both cats and dogs using fresh and wholesome ingredients. And depending on the service that you go with, you'll get either a mixture of nutrients and foods, or you can get something like We Feed Raw, which relies basically on raw food. And these services do customize the meals to meet your pet's specific requirements, especially with the Farmer's Dog. If they have any specific health condition or issue, then yeah, this is definitely a great service. They cater to over 15 different health issues, and if it's not listed on their website, you can just add it and they'll look into it, and you can contact them and make sure that it is perfect for your specific pet. And you know, by using these delivery services, I mean, as a busy person myself, I definitely enjoy saving a whole lot of time, and I can also sort of be confident that my pet is getting a well-balanced, nutritious diet without the hassle of having to prepare my own food and my pet's food. And plus, I do save a little bit of time and just have that peace of mind knowing that a bunch of professionals made the meals for me to meet my pet's needs. Now, if you want to take a look at any of these services, I do recommend that you check the reviews below, but let me just give you a quick brief so that you can make more of an educated decision if you don't want to take a look at the in-depth reviews. And so I've been thoroughly researching and testing out the most popular dog food delivery services, and I've narrowed it down to the Farmer's Dog, Ollie Dog Food, and We Feed Raw as the best brands overall. Now, although prices may vary, they all offer customized fresh dog food made from high quality ingredients that are free from artificial preservatives and additives. They also offer the convenience of delivering the meals directly to your home through a subscription-based model, which makes it easy for pet owners to provide their dogs with nutritious meals without having to worry about shopping and meal preparation. Now, deciding which one is the best highly depends on you and your dog's situation, and let me explain why. Starting with the Farmer's Dog, which is the best option out of the three when it comes to meal customization. They provide healthy, personalized, and complete meals for dogs and offer 4 recipes: chicken, turkey, pork, and beef, all developed by board-certified veterinary nutritionists and made with human-grade ingredients that have no preservatives or fillers, which means it holds up to human food standards. The food is delivered within days of cooking and is cooked at a high enough temperature to kill bacteria, but low enough to preserve its nutrients. And when it comes to customizability, the Farmer's Dog is almost unmatched in the market. The meal plans are pre-portioned to meet each dog's unique needs, and they're the first to take into account more than 15 different health issues when setting up your dog's profile. You also have the option to add any other health issues that may not be listed. And to add to that, each meal arrives pre-labeled to which dog it's supposed to be fed with the exact portions. And this is perfect in case someone else in the family is feeding the dogs, and it also eliminates the need to remember what each pup is supposed to eat. Now, it's important to note that they don't currently offer grain-inclusive options, but claim to be looking into expanding their recipe selection in the future. So overall, the Farmer's Dog excels in customizability and offers the most amount of options of freshly cooked dog food for pup owners to choose from. especially if you're looking for food that takes into account the pre-existing health issues of your dog. Next up, we've got We Feed Raw, which is the most unique out of the three since it exclusively uses raw food for their meal plans. Their plans offer 6 proteins, so beef, lamb, venison, duck, turkey, and chicken. Their food is all made from USDA human-grade meats with no fillers, preservatives, artificial flavors, or even colors. Also, their lamb and venison are sourced from New Zealand. They're pasture-raised, grass-fed, and even grass-finished. Everything else is sourced within the USA from trusted farms. All of their recipes are blended and packaged in the United States as well. And as the food is made, they put it through cold pressure processing, which uses high water pressure to keep the meat raw instead of slow cooking it to kill the bacteria. Now, when it comes to ordering We Feed Raw, you can either buy formulas in bulk, which is the only service out of the three to offer such an option, or you can create a custom meal plan, which is the better choice if you're not sure how much to buy. Their meals are a mix of organ meat, muscle meat, and bones, as well as a pre-mix of vitamins and minerals to make sure your pup gets all the nutrition it needs. So overall, if you're looking for a service that specializes in raw food plans, has a bulk order option, and offers customizable meal plans for your furry friend, We Feed Raw is your go-to option. And finally, we have Ollie Dog Food. Now, out of the three, Ollie is the best option if you're looking for a more budget-friendly service that offers both grain-inclusive and grain-free options. They have 4 protein options, so chicken, turkey, beef, and lamb, with nutrient-dense carbs, healthy fats, and superfoods like chia seeds. Their meals are human-grade and USDA approved with no fillers, artificial flavors, or preservatives. And similar to the farmer's dog, they cook in small batches to kill bacteria and retain nutrients. Ollie also offers add-ons. They have 3 subscription options and a 100% money-back guarantee on starter boxes. The 3 available subscription options are fresh, half fresh, or a mixed plan of fresh and gently baked dry food. And if you want to go for a more budget-friendly plan, you can go with the 50-50 split between fresh and baked. And by far, Ollie is the only service I've seen that offers such an option. Their meal plans are also based on age, breed, activity levels, allergies, and ideal weight. And they work with specialized veterinarians to formulate their recipes. And on top of that, Ollie offers both grain-inclusive and grain-free options. Each human-grade recipe uses a significant amount of named meats as its dominant source of animal protein, and these meats are sourced from family-run farms in the US and Australia. So overall, Ollie is your best option if you're looking for grain-inclusive fresh food with a flexible and affordable subscription plan. And so to sum it up, these are the best services currently in the market. The Farmer's Dog is an all-rounder when it comes to freshly cooked dog food. It's perfect if you value more customization options when ordering your meals, and it is also the best choice when it comes to addressing dogs with medical issues, making sure that your dog will always eat what's best for their well-being. Now, We Feed Raw is the best out of the 3 when it comes to raw food expertise. They specialize in exclusive meat-only recipes and offer great customization options as well as bulk order options. And finally, Ollie is most suited if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that has a flexible mixed plan. They're also one of the few services that have both grain-free and grain-inclusive options. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to check out any of these services, you'll find the links to pricing and discounts as well as full reviews in the description down below. And besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with future content. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.